Hi, I'm Natalie Woods, and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today, we will cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. The euro declined against the US dollar due to Greece's uncertainty about the European debt crisis plan. Global leaders are reluctant to finance the European bailout after Greece called for and then retracted a call for a referendum on the bailout. The euro declined to its most significant low in almost 3 weeks after the European Central Bank announced a decrease in its key interest rate to 1.25%. The decrease in the interest rate came after a 2/4 percentage point increase that occurred previously this year. The president of the European Central Bank stated that the Eurozone may be moving towards a mild recession. The resistance of major economies to finance a Eurozone bailout is reflected in the frustration of Europe's failure to work out its crisis. European leaders are attempting to stem the spread of the Greek debt crisis into countries in the Eurozone such as Italy and Spain. The euro decreased 0.23% against the US dollar last Friday and was last seen trading at the 1.3790 level. The US dollar made advances against major currencies as investors sought out a safe haven, and the Bank of Japan intervened to weaken the yen against the US dollar. The coming week will show whether there is improvement in US consumer confidence. The US dollar increased the most since 2008 against the Japanese yen after the Bank of Japan sold the yen to stem the rise of the currency for the third time this year. The US dollar increased as much as 4.9%. The US dollar was last seen trading against the Japanese yen at 78.19, which is an increase of 0.19%. In commodities, oil rose to a 3-month high on expectation that the improvement in the US unemployment rate will result in an increased demand for fuel. Crude oil was last seen trading at $94.26, which is an increase of 0.20%. Well, that's all the time we have for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Natalie Woods. Good luck and happy trading.